Hey YouTube, Ohio Bassmaster here, bringing you something a little different today. Not going to be a fishing video. Today on my 2006 Honda Element, I'm going to change out my power steering fluid. I'm going to show you an easy, cheap way to do it. I did have the car in service at the dealership. They wanted, I believe it was $90 to $100 to do this. The power steering fluid is very dirty. I've started noticing a little bit of a whine every now and then out of my power steering system. I'm not paying the dealership $100 to do this when I could easily do it at home. I did pick up, this is what you're going to need to do it. You're going to need some type of jug that can hold the dirty fluid, because you don't want that running out on the ground. You're going to need some paper towels in case you spill anything. You're going to need a simple turkey baster. This is one I picked up at O'Reilly's. It was like $5.49. It's actually a battery filler, but it's going to do exactly what I need. It's a bulb type, same thing as a turkey baster. And you're also going to need some Honda power steering fluid. Do not buy stuff off your local parts store's shelf. Get Honda fluid. Hondas are picking on their fluid. I will not run anything but genuine Honda fluid. For these 2 pints, which is 12 fluid ounces, it costs me, I think, $10 or $11 for the 2. So not bad. When they do a flush at the dealership, I believe they use 3 pints to do it. We're not doing a 100% system flush. All we're going to do is suck out the dirty fluid from the reservoir, replace it with new, run the system to cycle it through, suck it out again, replace with new, and the whole system should be pretty clean fluid then. Again, like I said, I'm not doing a total flush. I'm not going to get out 100% of the old fluid, but I'm going to get enough clean fluid in there that'll be good for me. I have never flushed my brake fluid or power steering fluid on any cars I've ever owned until I got the Element. Because I care for this car, I'm going to do some stuff to make it last. So it should work for my needs. Alright, first thing you want to do, this is your power steering fluid reservoir. You want to pop the cap, put it somewhere you're not going to lose it. And we're going to keep your jug handy. Take your turkey baster, stick it down in, and let it suck that fluid up. Takes a couple seconds to fill the bulb. So with the turkey baster and the fluid, all in all, I have probably around $15 to $16 in doing this. And this is so easy, anybody can do it. I mean, if you can turn a screwdriver, you should be able to do this. Be careful not to get it on your paint. I'm not sure if power steering fluid is like brake fluid, but it probably wouldn't be good for the paint. Notice I am spilling just a little bit. Oh, get it in the hole. Yeah, it's pretty dark coming out of there, if you can see. think we're at the bottom of the reservoir now. So what I'm gonna do is wipe this off. Give this a little wipe. And you could always clean this up when you're done. Alright. We'll put the cap on this for now. And you can recycle this at any of your local part stores. AutoZone, O'Reilly's, Advance. Most of them take recycled fluids. Set that down. You can use a funnel if you want to, but you don't have to if you are careful with pouring. Alright. I'm gonna put that cap on. It didn't quite take a whole quart or pint. And I'm gonna start the car and work the power steering system. That should be good. And all I did to work it is just turn the wheel back and forth. Get our jug back up here. Pop the cap. Now we're just going to drain this again. Yeah, it's still coming out pretty dirty. And you can do this 3 times if you want. I'm only going to do it twice. I feel confident that it'll have enough new fluid in it to make the system good. This bulb is very soft, so it's kind of slow to suck back to its shape to fill it. Almost at the bottom. there. Clean this off. Try to make sure you don't drip this on your serpentine belt. Up around here. There. So, see, it was pretty dirty. Now you're going to fill this back up. Jug. And if you'll notice on the side of the reservoir, you have an upper and lower level. These lines right here, I'm going to fill it to the upper level. And if you look through, you can see the fluid level on the reservoir right about there. Now I'm going to recap this. I still have a little fluid left over. I'm going to recap this. Let's clean this cap up. And then I'll run the system and check my level again. This cap was really dirty. I need to do complete engine bay cleaning on this. Okay, start the car up. Check our fluid again. Still at the upper level. There you go, guys. It took me a whole 10 minutes to do. I saved myself $85, $90 than taking it to the dealership, and I have the satisfaction of saying I did it myself. If you liked the video, leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts, whether you like this process or if you know a better way to do it. Like I said, this is not the official way to do it, but this is the way I chose to do it. It's good for me and it saved me a bunch of money. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on the Element. We've got a lot coming up with this, a lot of aftermarket parts going on it. And also check out my fishing and camping videos and my gear review videos. Have a good one.